good, guys? EasyTech231 here. Welcome back to another episode of Best Android Apps. We're looking at apps from May 2016. Hopefully you guys will enjoy this list. All of these applications will be listed down below in the description, so make sure you check them out. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First up, we've got Collage Print Studio. Now what this app allows you to do is collect a bunch of your pictures from your gallery and social media and then put them together in a collage fashion. It's pretty simple, right? I mean, we've all done this before. But with this tool, not only can you create a collage, but you can also get it printed as a physical copy straight from the app. All you have to do is choose a poster size, and you can either select A3 or A2, choose the photos that you want in the collage, pick from 25 different layouts, fill up the poster, and then once you're done, you can have it printed and shipped directly to you. Now what I really like about this app is how easy it is to use and how customizable everything is. There's really no issue that I've had so far while using the app, and you can really make your collage look the way that you want it to. It's super simple yet extremely useful, especially for those of you that like having something tangible and not just have the collage sitting there on your phone. Definitely give this app a shot. Next up, we've got this clock widget inspired by Google I/O 2016. Really all it is a clean and simple clock widget, but it does have some nice customization like adjusting the clock's overall color, and there are some other color options as well, like your inactive and outline colors. You can also change the layout, the number thickness, you can change the font, you can select what will happen when you tap on the widget, and more. Overall, it's a very simple and unique widget that's got a surprisingly decent amount of customization. Third application on the list is Infinity Loop Blueprints. This is a really simple yet very addicting puzzle game. So basically what you have to do is flip all of these little pieces around and get them into a position to where the whole object becomes connected perfectly. So you've got the classic mode where you just try and complete every puzzle in the game, but you can also make your own puzzles as well as try out other people's puzzles from around the world. You've also got a premium collection, which as you may guess is an in-app purchase, and you've also got daily top 5 puzzles to keep everything nice and fresh. Overall, it's a fun, visually pleasing, and very challenging puzzle game that is sure to keep you on your toes. Fourth application on hand is the ToolWiz Photo Editor. Now normally I just use VSCOcam and Google Snapseed to edit my photos, but with this application I found that this just might be an addition to that photo editor folder on my phone. This app boasts no ads and no in-app purchases, which is a huge plus for me when I'm looking for new apps to try out. You've got loads and loads of different tools that you can choose from. You can adjust the exposure, the highlights, the saturation, white balance, symmetry, contrast, you can add special effects, and there's even a meme mode. Seriously, what? To be honest, the list of adjustments and customizations just go on and on and on. Just trust me when I say there's a whole lot of them. The app itself is really nice and high quality, which I find to be very important, with not a single ad to be found. Overall, it's a very solid photo editing application with an incredible amount of tools that you can use to keep your photos looking super dope. And I also included a small tutorial of this application down below in the description so you can get a better idea of what this app can do. But really, just go ahead and download the application and see for yourself why I find this to be a legit competitor in the space of mobile photo editors. So halfway down the list, we've got Dr. Phone, which is actually the first Android data recovery software. Now what this app does is it helps you recover any lost pictures, videos, text, contacts, and you can even remove forgotten screen locks and passcodes, which as of now only works with Samsung devices. Now as of now, this app will only work with rooted devices. However, there are some workarounds for that, and I'll link you to more information in the description. But if you're looking to recover lost data from SD cards, you don't need to be rooted. This here service will also work on Mac and PC as well. So if you've accidentally deleted some files that you really needed to hang on to, this is a great tool that you can use to help you out. Next up, we've got Unity Widgets 3. This is a Super Widget skin, so you're gonna wanna download Super Widget Pro first, but once you've got that down, get this skin pack immediately. Number 1, it's free. Number 2, you've got nearly 100 different widgets to choose from made by 7 very dedicated designers. Did I mention it was free? And as you probably guessed by now, there are 2 predecessors to this pack, Unity Widgets and Unity Widgets 2. And I'll go ahead and throw those down below in the description as well. But if you're looking for a new Super Widget skin that's got an absolute boatload of widgets to choose from, hands down this is the one to get. The pack provides very nice and sleek looking widgets, and there are more than enough of them to keep you occupied for a good long time. At app number 7, we have Great Big Story. This is one of those really nice, high quality applications in which you can tell had a lot of hard work put into making it. So basically what we've got going on here is a bunch of unique, interesting, and awesome stories from around the world. Each story has its own clean and high-res image to help make the experience even better, and the stories have their own unique taste. So these aren't going to be your regular run-of-the-mill boring stories that you see throughout the day on the news and online. The app itself is super clean, it runs smoothly, animations are nice and slick, And overall, this is a great app if you want to check out and learn something new and out of the ordinary. Next application on hand is Last Pick. It's a super simple application that you can use to help you find new movies to watch. Features include a genre filter, a full detailed description of the movie, you can get links to trailers, and you can also bookmark movies for future reference. The app itself is very clean as it's wrapped up in that material design, it works very well, and it's definitely an application that you'd want to keep around if you're a movie head or if you just need help finding something new to watch on movie night. Alright, so second to last, we've got Screenshot, Crop, and Share. It's a super handy tool to have around, especially if you're like me and you take a lot of screenshots. Basically, once it's enabled, right after you take the screenshot, you'll be given the option to crop, share, or delete it. And that's pretty much it. Now, most current Galaxy phones have this feature built in, but now you can do this on pretty much any Android device. It's got a clean, minimal design, and what I really like about this is that it doesn't get in the way. It's a super simple concept, yet it's an extremely useful tool. Check it out. Alright, so the last application on the list is also very simple. We're taking a look at Blip Blip. So you know how your watch will beep whenever an hour passes by? Well, this application here brings that same function to your phone. Not only can it notify you every hour, but you can also set it to notify you every minute, every 5 minutes, and so on. You can adjust the volume of the notification as well as the sound that it makes. Other settings include a silent time, you've got alarm modes, and much more. This is a very simple application that can really help you throughout the day because, as you hard workers out there know, it's really easy to lose track of time, and this application can definitely help you stay on top of things. Well, that about does it for this month's best Android apps. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to smack that like button. All of these applications will be listed down below in the description, so make sure you check them out. So that does it for me, guys. I'll see you all later. Thanks for watching.